Hello, lovely people. How are you guys doing? You staying at home? Good. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me. I'm going in my living room. This looks like I'm wearing a pajama. I mean, we're all staying at home. You're probably wearing a pajama watching this video, so it's fine. I can't believe that all of this is happening. It's so crazy. We're living in so crazy times. I'm like, is this really happening? Everything changed so quickly. I hope all of you guys are doing well. I hope your family is okay and the people that you love. It's been so long since I last did a get ready with me where I was just talking to you and doing my makeup, and I really enjoyed filming those kind of videos. They were fun. Oh my god, my skin. It's so red. I was thinking, what do I want to film today? I wasn't in the mood to film anything. I'm not in the mood to do anything at all. I feel like that coronavirus situation makes me so nervous and so anxious and scared, and I'm in that panic mode and I don't want to do anything. I just want to sit and wait till we know what's happening, till we know how all of this will end. The scary part is that we don't see it ending anytime soon. I'm gonna use these two Too Faced Born This Way concealers. I don't really have my shade, so I'm gonna mix these two colors. This one is really light. I think that this is the lightest shade. It's called Cloud, and this is the shade Vanilla. I'm constantly watching the news. I'm constantly online trying, to search for the latest updates, and that's so unhealthy. I should stop doing that. I know that I should stop doing that, but I can't. It's just not healthy. Like constantly looking at the statistics and the news. Don't do that, you guys. Yesterday, I fried my brain playing Fortnite. I bet you didn't see that coming. Yeah, I did it on purpose because I just wanted to stop thinking about it. I was playing for hours. Oh my god. I played for 8 hours straight Fortnite. Yeah, I get addicted like this sometimes. My eyes were so red. And I went to bed so late last night, but it worked. It worked because I, for a moment, for 8 hours, stopped thinking about the coronavirus. It was so nice. I recommend. Please don't judge me. You guys know how addictive video games are, especially Fortnite. Looks like I was very productive yesterday. But seriously, you have to entertain yourself. You have to keep your mind busy. Otherwise, you'll go crazy. But yesterday in the morning, I cleaned the whole house. I started with the bedroom. I made sure that it's as clean as it could possibly be. Then I moved to the kitchen. I made sure that everything is clean, everything is put in place, everything is washed. And then I moved to the living room. And that kept me busy for so long, and I was exhausted at the end. Then I started playing Fortnite. Hold on. My brow hairs are really long. I need to trim them a little bit. So now I'm just filling in my brows using this Brow Gel by Benefit. It's a fresh one. I just opened it. In the past 2 weeks, I realized that the way that I live my life, my lifestyle, and what I do on my everyday basis is considered quarantine for normal people. And I don't know how to feel about that, because that's what I do. I didn't have to do any changes in my life at all. Nothing has changed. Nothing. I'm gonna take some of this P.LOUSE eyeshadow base. This is the shade 01. I'm gonna clean my brows with it. On March 10th, we went to the grocery store, but the situation wasn't that intense then. And we took some groceries, just like normal shopping for the week. And I think it was Wednesday this week. Yeah, I think it was Wednesday. We had to go get some more food because there was no food in the house. We're not prepared for this at all. So instead of going to the grocery store where most people go in order to avoid any crowds and stuff, we decided to go to the mini market. It's like a supermarket but a small version. We have one here right next to us. And we're entering the mini market. We're at the door, okay? And suddenly there is that noise, that really loud noise. It sounded something like, okay, I'm gonna do exactly how it sounded like, but don't laugh, because I'm trying my best to explain what happened. So it sounded something like beep, beep, beep. There were 2 cashiers and I think 1 customer, and both of us with Dimitri, so that's like 5 people. So everybody's freaking out. Everybody's looking at each other. Everybody's suddenly looking at me. I'm freaking out. I have no idea what's happening. Where is that noise coming from? I realized that that noise is coming from my phone. My phone is usually on silent, like 99% of the time. So me hearing noise coming out of my phone, that's not something that I'm used to. I'm not used to hearing my phone ring. I'm like, okay, that's weird. Let me check it out. So I get my phone. My phone starts reading a message. I can see the message, but I'm losing my mind because how is my phone reading it out loud when it's on silent? I have no control over it anymore. I'm not its owner anymore. It does whatever it wants, my phone. I like how I'm pretending that I'm holding a phone when I can be actually holding a phone and do that. But anyway, what is this monster in my hand? What's going on? So the message, let me show you. I took a screenshot. Obviously, it's a genius idea that they did that. They sent an automatic message to everybody in English and in Greek saying that we are in a critical phase. Stay at home, limit movements to the absolutely necessary. You know, it's great that they did that because maybe there are people that don't read the news, or I don't know, they don't know what's happening, or maybe they need some kind of a message like that to stay at home and take it more seriously. But we're at the entrance, we're just getting into the store, and then my phone starts reading, we're at a critical state, stay at home. Like, this is the only time that we went out throughout the week to get some food. And they caught us. It was the perfect timing, because if I'm at home and I get a message like that, I'm like, okay, they're just sending a message to everybody. But if this is the only time that I went out of the house to get some food and I get this message, the timing is so perfect and scary, it made me freak out. It made everybody in the store freak out. Everybody else's phone just got a message. Mine had that noise and it started reading that message. I can't even trust my phone anymore. That's the conclusion that I came up to. I'm gonna use this palette here by Melt Cosmetics. It has some really pretty colors. But anyways, you guys, jokes aside, there are so many people that are affected by all this, by everything shutting down, by the lockdown. There are people that lost their lives. There are people that are sick and suffering right now. It's not really simple. The whole situation is really complicated. Now I'm gonna take this shade called Modern Love. I'm gonna add it in the outer corner here. Last night I couldn't fall asleep, so I was googling pandemics throughout history. Guys, how did we survive? How did we make it to 2020? I have no idea how did we manage to get through all of that. Humans are amazing. We're probably living in the best time. I mean, if you don't count the future, which can probably be better than what we live now, but so far, it's the best time to be alive right now. I mean, not with the coronavirus, but we have medicine, we have technology. Our lives are so easy because of that. On our everyday basis, we consider so many things important that are actually not. We're worried about so many things that doesn't matter at all. And I'm gonna add some glitter glue on my eyes. And I'm gonna add some of this eyeshadow here. And maybe some of this one here on top. Oh, and by the way, I know that this is a very sensitive topic, but can somebody explain why people are going crazy over toilet paper? What's up with it? Why people suddenly need it that much? I've been trying to come up with a reason, but I can't think of anything. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more of this color in the outer corner just to darken it up a little bit more. I'm so happy that a few months ago I started to get into cooking. You guys know that if you watched some of my previous Get Ready With Me videos. That's so useful right now. I can cook for us and we don't have to eat pasta every day. Yay! If we had to order our food every time we had to eat, my boyfriend is really picky with food. Like, he basically eats 5 things. Pasta all the time. He can eat pasta every day of his life and never get bored. Rice, potatoes, cheese, but only one type of cheese, this one here, and bread. That's pretty much it. High carb, low protein. We tried going keto once. It was my idea. I should have known. It was just a waste of time. It didn't work. I don't know why I was surprised that it didn't work. Like, he had nothing to eat, and he doesn't eat meat ever since he was a baby, so going keto was the worst thing that could happen to him. It was a disaster, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna just do my winged eyeliner now. Oh, hold on. The zoom in window. Let's not forget it. My mom is on a keto diet. She's not stressing too much about it, but she's avoiding carbs. She's having more fats, and she lost some weight. She also has some great benefits in her health. She's constantly doing blood tests and stuff like that, and she's doing well. She's doing really well on keto diet. It's a moderate keto diet that she does, but she's really chill about it. Like, if she wants to have something that is forbidden with the keto diet, if she's craving for something, she's just gonna eat it, you know. But for most of the time, like 95% of the time, she's like going keto as much as possible. For the most part, she's mainly avoiding carbs, like bread, rice, potatoes, everything that my boyfriend eats, she's not eating it. And she's more healthy now, so that's really cool. Her doctor actually told her that she's doing much better with her health on keto. So yeah, there are people that can benefit from it, others not that much. I just added a pair of fauces. I'm cooking a lot of vegetables, by the way, because, you know, my boyfriend doesn't eat almost anything else, so that's our only options. But vegetables they're healthy, so that's good. I haven't seen my parents since September last year. I miss them so much. They were planning on visiting us here in Greece in April, but to be honest with you, I don't see it happening with the virus. I don't know how it's where you live, you guys, but here in Europe, you can't move. I'm gonna add some blush. We're talking with my parents online almost every day, but it would be so nice if they could come. This blush is really nice, by the way. It's by Hourglass. I'm gonna have all the products that I'm using today listed down in the description box. A little bit of highlighter. Ooh! This used to be my favorite highlighter last summer, and probably the summer before the last summer. I've been liking it a lot, because it's very liquidy and it looks very natural on the skin. Oh, guys, I forgot. No, I think I actually mentioned it in one of my videos. I cut off coffee completely. I haven't had coffee in, I don't know, I lost the count of the days, but I feel amazing. It was making me feel different. It was making me feel more awake in the morning. It was definitely giving me that boost, but I was also feeling more nervous. I was feeling more anxious, definitely, and it was very weird. I can't really explain it, but once I cut it off, I felt a lot more calm. Maybe it's my idea, maybe coffee has nothing to do with it, but I feel like it does. I was really enjoying the taste, but I was having 2 shots of espresso every time I had coffee. So if I had coffee twice a day, that's 4 shots of espresso, and that's way too strong for me. With so much milk and sugar in my coffee, it didn't taste like coffee anymore. You know, I was not putting a lot of sugar, but I was adding a lot of milk. So it tasted like milkshake. It was sweet. It was nice, but I couldn't taste the taste of coffee anymore. The milk and the sugar were covering it. It was just a sweet beverage for me. Coffee, it's supposed to be bitter. It's not supposed to be sweet. Because I was really enjoying the taste, I was drinking a little bit too much. So I cut it off completely. And now I'm drinking a lot of tea. Tea is so nice, because you can try out so many different flavors. You have so many options with tea. And it doesn't make my heart beat like crazy, so that's good. This is a highlighter palette by Sleek. I'll take this highlighter here to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. I said highlighter 3 times in one sentence. I'm wearing this lipstick here by Ofra today. It's such a pretty color. I'm loving this look. I'm loving the inner corner highlighter. It adds some brightness to this look, and it makes it really fresh. I wasn't planning on doing so bright. I almost poked myself in the eye with my fingers, but I wasn't planning on going with so bright inner corner, but I actually like it. It's nice. I really don't know how to end this video, but I want you guys to be safe. I want you to really be careful where you're going. If you're going out, try not to be around a lot of people. You already know what to do. I don't want to be repeating myself and everybody else that you see talking about this. I'm gonna go cook some rice with veggies and and after that I'm gonna go play Fortnite. Cause guys, see, I wanna disconnect myself. I wanna disconnect myself from the news, from the numbers, from the statistics. I just wanna take a break. This is the only thing that I can think of, and I need some rest. And I hope I don't get any more automatic messages, cause they're scary. Especially if your phone starts reading them to you without asking. I would really suggest cleaning the house. It feels so good. Now is the best time to deep clean the house. Also, clean your computer. You probably have so many things that you don't need in there. Clean your phone from the selfies that you took like 7 months ago. You have so many things that you can do. Also, if you guys want to watch something, usually I like watching things that are more sci-fi, but the series called Timeless, it's about people that travel in the past. It's so entertaining. The series called The 100, I've mentioned them in some of my other videos. They're absolutely amazing. So yeah, there you go. Some suggestions what you can do. And don't go out. Maybe you can watch some of my other videos, some makeup tutorials. In my previous video, I was showing you how to make shimmery eyeshadows to really pop and make them more intense. So if you're interested, you can also check it out. I'm gonna go kick some butts on Fortnite. So hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I'll have links to all of those down in the description box. You can check out some of these videos if you don't have anything else to do now. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye.